Hi, I am Arindam Mallick and you all are welcome to my channel Technical Ori. I also welcoming you on my C programming course. Today our topic is structure and function. Then we like to discuss about the self-referential structure. This is part 38. Let's start. Structure and function. So we pass our structures in a function in the three way. Means for passing a structure to a function there is a three way. First way, passing the individual members. That means we pass the members, individual members of a structures to a function. That is a one way. Another way is passing the entire structure. Another way is the passing the entire structure. We can pass the whole structure. There is a way. Third way is the passing the pointer. We are passing the pointer to the structure. That is the third way. So three ways they are passing the individual member, passing the entire structure, and passing pointer to the structure. I will show you the source code. So go to the dev C++. Now first is pass the individual members on a function. We use the here type def. What is the use of the type def? Type def is basically for creating a new data type. So basically here means we try to create a like this type def struct, then int x int y, that is a point. So basically here nothing but a like type def is you are try to create a new data type, but here is a struct. So basically this is work like a structure. This is the what is a if you are if you are define the structure or declare a structure, what you do? First you use a struct keyword, then structure name, and then in the second bracket you declare the member of the structure, then we complete it. Okay, so here also same thing, just we use that like a type def keyword. This is also keyword, means we are creating the new data type of a struct. It's a base means two members x and y. Okay, now this is a we are take the this is our struct type def struct type variable. That means point. This is a point. Point is a here our structure variable. Data type is a type def struct. Okay, here is a way for declaring the variable, as I will show you on my previous as I will show you on when I will declare the structure. I will show you the procedure how to declare a structure. On that I will show you the how to declare a variable in structure. Okay, I will not show you here. Okay, now so this is a point is a type def struct type variable. Okay, data type is this struct def type def struct. Now we are take the declare a function called display. Data type is void, return type is void. Passing the two parameter, data type is int comma int. That means we passing the two integer value. Then main, on the main, first here take this means here. What is a what I try to say that, as I already told you, look here. Look here. There is a difference. I told you what that pointer is a type this. Means what is the actual thing? What is the actual thing? Actual thing is like this. Type def struct point. Yes, it is right. The means point data type, the data type of this point is struct. Okay, struct means what is the data type of this point? Struct. Here just consider this as a use of the type def. Type def is also creating a new data type of the existing data type. Same here. Until using this struct we use the point. That means what is I try to say that if you are declare a normal variable of the structure, what do you do? For an example, if you write like struct student, if you take a variable stud1, so struct student stud1. If you write like type def struct student stud1, until I write the struct, we use the student stud1. That is a thing. Means what I try to say that this now this point is a type. Point is a data type here. Means this P1 is the point data type. Data type is point. What is point? Point is nothing but another structure type variable. Okay, this is a structure. Obviously, point is a structure. Now this, so here as we use the type def, the original type is struct. But here by using this type def, point is behave like a data type. So point p1. So this is p1 is a structure variable of point. Now we are assigning the initializer value also. This also means after using this comma on the second bracket. So 2, 3. Now we are calling the function display p1.x. We are basically accessing the value, that was use the dot operator. Already explained the why use of dot operator for how to access the value of the structure on the value of the member. Okay, accessing the members of the structure I already show you. So this is used here in display function. We are calling the display function on the main. Now passing the two parameters, that is p1.x and p1.y. Basically we are accessing the two members x and y using dot p1.x comma p1.y. Now means what is a structure variable here? P1. What is a structure means type is point. Point is nothing but a structure. Again, what is a structure? Type def struct type. Now return 0. Now this is the function definition void display int a comma int b. Passing the two parameters. Then finally the printing, what is a function does? Just print the coordinate of the points is %d %. Basically we are discussing on the point, printing the point. Means there is a two axis, we know that x axis and y axis, the two dimensional. So same here, so they are printing just a and b value. Click on execute, compile, then run. So we are show that we are taking input as 2, 3, printing here this, the coordinate of points are 2, 3. Simple, we are using this, pass the individual, we are passing the x, means first member is x, second member is y. So we are passing the members of the structure to a function. Now, next is pass the structure, means we are now passing the whole structure to the function. Then this is a structure struct student int roll number char name 10 float fees. Okay, then completed and in semicolon. Structure is declared here. This is a member, 3 members of the student structure. Declare a function void display struct student s. We are passing the parameter as whole structure. Means struct student of the variable name is s. There is s, data type is struct student. Then main function we are again declare a value of struct student type like s1, struct student s1. Now we are taking the input printf, enter the roll number for scan a %d ampersand s1 dot roll number. First we access, then we enter the value. That's why we write the s1 dot roll number. S1 dot roll number ampersand S1 dot roll number. Enter the name, scan a percentage s comma ampersand S1 dot name. Enter the fees, scan a percentage f ampersand S1 dot fees. Then after that finally you are calling the display function, pass this struct student variable s1. Basically we are calling this display function. The definition is here like printf, display the information. Printf is the roll number is s dot roll number is printed. We see printing the roll number, we are accessing by using dot operator. Every members we are accessing by using the dot operator of a structure. Print the name, percentage is dot name, print the fees is dot fees names. So this is the basically our source code. This is basically our source code. You execute, compile, run. Roll number is like 1. Name is like AM. Fees is like 31,000. So roll is 1, name is AM, and this is my mistake. Okay, this is my mistake. Okay, sorry. This is my mistake, my fault. These have become fees here. So I'm sorry for my mistake. Okay, Control S, save, then execute, compile, then click on run. Roll number is 1, name is like AM, fees is like 31,000. This, so again this show the right answer, right result showing as our output. Roll number is 1, okay fine, name is AM and fees is stored 31,000 dot f, because it is a take the point is the floating value, okay? This point. So this is basically how to pass a structure to a function. Next, last is passing the structure to a function by using pointer. Basically, we are using the passing the pointer here, structure pointer. Struct student, int roll number, int age. Okay, void print. Now, this is passing the parameter struct student star. What is a student star? As normal, it is a structure, but pointer type, structure pointer. Okay. Main struct student S1. Then we have take the input like print enter the roll number, ampersand S1 dot roll number, print enter the S1 dot ampersand S1 dot age. Then print ampersand S1, ampersand S1. That means we are passing the address. As we already know how to passing the pointer. Now click now. Then go to our print is go to the definition of the print function. Void print struct student star stu. Means this stu is a now pointer of data type is struct student. This pointer means struct student type means structure pointer. This is a structure pointer. Struct student star stu. So okay, now then we just printed that but there is a difference. I will show you that how to access. But if you using the pointer, on that time use just its arrow for accessing the members. Use the just arrow. Slash and roll number is percentage d, stu arrow roll number, slash and name is percentage d, comma stu arrow age. This okay. For this we are accessing the members of the structure. This is our source code. Click on execute, compile, run. Roll number is 1. Age is 25. So roll is show 1 and name is 25. So exactly right result our code are showing. This is basically the how to pass a structure pointer to a function. That means we are using the pointer to passing a structure. Okay, this is our code. This is our output. Okay, fine. So now go to our slide. Now last topic is on the structure portion, that is self-referential structure. Self-referential structure are those structures that contain a reference to the data of the same data type. That means what I try to say that is a reference which are contain the reference of the data of same type. That means name is a, like for an example, I will show you there is an example. To addition of the other data, it contains a pointer that is the same type of that structure. For an example, this struct node int val struct node star next. This is an example of the self-referential structure. Why? Clearly observe that struct node, on this struct node portion there is another, means this is a reference is own, means struct node is reference own. Struct node, then we take the pointer for self-referential structure. We use a pointer star next. This is very useful. This concept is self-referential structure is for using the declaration of the linked list. We use that self-referential structure concept to declare a linked list. Okay, this is basically self-referential structure. In simple way, what I try to say that in self-referential structure, we are that contains the reference to a data of same type. Here, the data type is a struct node. That means struct node have the member which is that is the next star next. Data type is struct node. That means struct node type data. That means call its own. That means reference is own type. Struct node type. Okay. The star next data type is struct node. These are self-referential on this member, own member of this struct node. This is a self-referential structure. So with this video, our structure portion is ended. Next video, I will start the union, but keep practicing this and clear the concept because it is very useful for you. Okay, and keep practicing. Okay, thank you.